Hello everyone. So let's create our second flow video recording. So here, if you will see on the home page, we have created this flow. If you will see, currently we have in the admission object 35 records. Okay, so if I will create one more record and for so one more record added now, but now here we don't know it's added as a customer we don't know it's completed or created or not. We want to show customer one more screen, okay, that this record is created successfully. So when customer click on this button, one more screen should come, so customer will aware that it's completely properly successfully records created. So we discussed, whenever we are showing something to customer, either input fields we are providing or any other screens customer to customer we are showing, so always we will create a screen flow. Okay, so here click on the new flow, click on the start from scratch new, or we can do we can use our previous flow. Let's use our previous flow instead of creating new flow. So first screen flow. So this is our flow which we have created, which is here on at home page. So now we want that customer, we want to show customer after submit, a new screen should show to customer that successfully we have successfully created the record. So we will add another screen to customer now. Now, so whenever we want the customer to show any field, any field, input field, we want customer provide details or input, then we add a field, we create field. So for that we add data type and add the field names. Okay, but here we are not showing customer any this kind of field. We want customer to show, we are showing customer simple thing that you are successfully able to created the record kind of thing. So like this, you if you are showing any message on the screen, then you need search text display text. This will be API name. Now here add the text message whatever you want to display the customer. Okay, so suppose we will add thank you for thank you for your thank you record has been created successfully, thank you. Okay, so this message we are showing, and here we want to show at the footer height, no, not height, make it as a submit, hide this and hide this. If you want, you can make it as a bold or can change any text also. Okay, you can change any alignment, text, font, color, anything you can change. Okay, click on done. Now click here also, and here in the footer already we have added submit button on the next screen. So let's let me add here as a next button. Okay, and hide this previous, done, and attach this, tag this. So now it's saying first to customer, this screen will come, this screen will come. uh, we want to show customer this first name, address, experience field will show to customer. When customer will provide the input, then record will create. We asked that record should create. Okay, when record will create, then it will show customer that record has been created successfully. So everything will be step by step and connected each other. So it's very simple, everything is connected, and whatever we required, we want, we will add from here elements. Okay, so save as a new version, save. Activate it, refresh this. Now add this Andy 6 13. See here coming next button. So it's showing first screen flow record has been created successfully, thank you, submit. So it's completed successfully. It's coming now 37. This is the latest one. It's taking a little time. Let's refresh once. So Andy 6 it's showing as we have given detail. So now suppose from here every time we need to go on the object and check if the record is created or not. So now if we want to provide a link here, that every time we will click here and automatically will open the record from here automatically. So what we need to do, so let's be here and click on the flow. Okay, so here let me add something. record record ID. I've added this. Suppose it is unbold. Now make it as a hyperlink. So we don't have hyperlink here currently. If I will click here insert resource, so if you'll see here admission object from first text coming. Okay, if I will click here and click here, to control X. Click here link, hyperlink, add a link. So it will not work here like this. It make it hyperlink here. If I will click here, suppose here done and save, save. Let's check what it will show. Activate, refresh. Add details. Next, link is showing when I click here, so it's not working properly. It's coming on the same page. Okay, so for that, what we need to do, click again here, click here. Now open a record page, any record page first. So this is record page, and this is our record ID, and this is URL. So copy this. First of all, click here, open this, paste this URL here, save, and click some below here. Now again click here on this variable, copy this, cut, double click. Now on this place of record ID, remove this record ID and paste this first record create ID here. Okay, and save this. Okay, so it's pasted. If you want to see, you can double click here, and you can see we have taken the record ID URL, and instead of record ID we have copied with this variable automatically coming, and it's saying admission object ID object ID from first text, it's saying. So it will take, click here, done, save new. So I'm showing you what detail coming before and after. So now let's do again, provide detail. Next, record is already created, we can mention here finish also, finish or submit. Record ID, click. So see, now it's redirected to automatically record page. Again we can see submit. So I will provide some unique name now. So add ND11. Okay, something unique. IND experience 13. Record ID, see, ND11 IND. So it will come automatically every time on record ID, it will open from here. So we don't need to go every time on the object and record ID find, submit. So like this we have created one flow, user flow on at the home page screen, and two screen now we have created for the customer. We know how to create, give next button. We can add back button also here. When we remove the one button, so instead of remove that button we can add back button, and when we'll click back button then we will go on the first page, home page again on that where we have provided the field name, so we can go on that page also. We added a URL, on by this URL we can go directly on the record ID. So like this. So let's see first back button, let's add once. Click here, and here add here previous button. Okay, so previous button, you can either add here, mention back or previous, anything, it's up to you. So done. Save as a new, save. Always should be activated. If you will create it but you have not click here activate, then it will not work. Refresh the page. We have created a flow for the customer. So suppose we have created a flow at the home page, edit to show the customer. This flow is for customer. Whatever value customer is adding here, it will show directly information in the backend in this object. And like this, from the edit object we can add this at the home page, or any other object we can add, like this edit page we can add flow. So let's provide the detail and the 14. Next. So see, previous button added. Next, previous. See, so like this we can add form. Okay, screen flow, we can add multiple screens. We can add here also next button, and we can show any other screen to customer if you want a requirement. And like this we have added a hyperlink, which it's show redirecting to a record id. So hope you have understand. Thank you everyone.